see how I freaking laid this wig? Oh, like I'm overwhelmed with like Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of I'm an Auto Shade. What? Oh, the video pretty much is gonna show you guys how I put on my glueless wig that I made. So this beautiful hair is Diamond Dynasty virgin hair. I got 32 inches, as y'all can see. Y'all can't tell me. If you guys are interested in getting this texture or any other texture from Diamond Dynasty, make sure to use my discount code NADA52 and you can get some coins off. It is an HD lace, as you guys can see. I went ahead and still bleached it. I don't know if you're supposed to bleach HD or not, but I went ahead and put 2 elastic bands in here so that so it can just stay on my head without me having to glue it, because I hate gluing my hair. I think I'm allergic to the glue. Adjuster, adjust, bada boom, bada bang, and boom, it's on. And I did cut off like the extra lace that was on the side. Y'all, look how long this is though. So the only things that I'm gonna be using are my edge brush, this comb, this edge hair tie, a pink bottle of water, mousse. Is definitely non-alcohol, even though it really doesn't matter in this case because I'm not using glue, so it can't take the glue off. Finally, some scissors. Let's get started. So I found a hair tie. I'm gonna just go ahead and do like a messy bun thing to keep the hair out of your face. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace first. When it comes to like trying to wear frontals and stuff, if your hair comes down to your eyebrows, it's kind of like, bruh. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. Alrighty. And then I'm just gonna cut around. You know, people cut in zigzag and whatnot. I just cut the lace. Like, I try to do zigzag, and then when it don't work, I just be like, okay, it's not that deep. I'm gonna actually go ahead and add some more baby hairs, literally all over the wig. I'll go ahead and try the method that I've seen on Instagram, where like they'll put the mousse and then they'll tie it and then they'll style it. So let me try that. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and tie it down. And I'm only gonna tie it for like a couple, maybe like a minute or two. So I'm gonna just go ahead and cut these off. This is really squeezing my head, like. Oh, y'all see that? See, I know a little something about what I'm talking about. So as y'all can see, like it's always the corners that just be, you know what? I'm gonna cut this part off. Listen, you gotta make it work. You gotta. And I'm gonna just show y'all my whole process because y'all might experience the same things I'm going through. Bro, I'm sick of it. Now I'm gonna just go back and tie it again. So while I do that, I'm gonna just go ahead and start wetting my hair. So that way we can just kill time. Oh, y'all, look how I tied the hair. So I gotta take this off and do it over. That ain't a problem. That ain't a problem. That ain't a problem. We got this, y'all. We halfway there. By the way, this is Diamond Dynasty Virgin Hair. And the texture is natural wave. And I have two 32 inches, a 30 inch, and a 28 inch. And then the closure, the frontal is a 22 inch. Oh my God, y'all, I've never had hair this long. It's so pretty. Y'all ready for the big reveal? The big reveal, the big reveal, the big reveal, the big reveal. Alrighty. And I gotta decide where I want to part it. Okay. It kind of messed up a little bit. But honestly, like, it works. I don't think I want to do like a real part either. I think I want to do like one of these situations. What y'all think? Side or somewhere in the middle? If it's down the middle, I feel like unless I just go like this, which still, okay. Let's just try. Is this straight? Nope. See, this is over bleached. And I'm just gonna use some black eyeshadow. And then I'm just gonna use like some tannish kind of to just make the part look a little bit more visible here. Y'all, I really snapped on this wig. I don't care what nobody say. I snapped on this wig. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you really enjoyed this video. So my hair is always from Diamond Dynasty Virgin Hair. You guys can follow them on Instagram. Voila. And if you guys are interested in purchasing any hair from them, the discount code is NADA52. You can get some coins off. I ain't gonna tell you how much till you go on there and check and figure it out for yourself now. Alright, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the next episode of I'm gonna say what?